The essence of being happy comes down to how you focus on being happy. Now, this does not sound as easy, but you have to keep working at it. Look at a magnifying glass. When it comes to a magnifying glass, if you focus that magnifying glass on a single spot, it can catch fire. But when we don't focus that magnifying glass, we can see objects larger or smaller depending on how we look at it. Now, if it comes down to being focused, it's going to require some consistency. You're going to have to work at being focused on being happy. And one of the ways you do that is by tracking your thoughts for a week. So you track things like for a week, for a month, whatever you are comfortable with, but recognize what is making you unhappy. Recognize when you are unhappy, what times of the day, what triggers you that causes you to be unhappy. What makes you unhappy? Are there certain people that make you unhappy? Are there certain times of the day or events that occur that make you unhappy? Who makes you unhappy? Is it family? Is it friends? Is it your boss? Who makes you unhappy? Use your journal, use your notebook, and write all this down. Why are you unhappy? Are you stressed at work? Are you struggling with your business? Are you struggling with your relationship? What is making you unhappy? Why are you unhappy? Ask yourself these questions, and then you need to push your mind to be happy. And how you do this is when you recognize those thoughts of being unhappy, why you're unhappy, when you're unhappy, who makes you unhappy, and asking and answering these questions, you can then learn to trigger your mind into a positive mode when these thoughts enter your mind. If you do this for a week, if you do this for a month, soon as those thoughts enter your mind, you immediately replace them with something positive. As an example, I may have a thought that says something along the lines, I hate Mondays because I've got to go into work today. And I hate Mondays because there's so much work for me on the Monday. And that causes me to be unhappy. As soon as I recognize that thought, I immediately focus on a positive aspect of what could happen on Monday. I may say, oh, I can't wait for Monday because on Monday evening, straight after work, I catch up with my friends and we go and watch a movie. Or I catch up with my friends and we go out for dinner. Or I catch up with my wife or my husband, whatever it is for you, my partner. I catch up with them and we go out and have a nice dinner on Monday evening. We choose a fantastic restaurant that we both will enjoy, and that is the idea or thought you should be focusing on instead of I hate Mondays because the work piles up. Simply replacing the thought in your mind will have such a positive impact on your life. You will see transformation very quickly after you encounter the way to analyze the thoughts, record them, and change it with something positive immediately. Takes practice, but you'll get used to it.